Okay, now I am going to brief. I am going to write a program in C. Write a program in C to find least age of array of ages. Okay, so first of all, I want to create an array. Array name is equal to age. Okay, and symbol to array symbol square bracket. This is integer array. Okay, now I told you that we need to keep the flower braces within that. This is the age, somewhat age. These are all age of. Okay, so now this is an age array having 5 values, 5 ages, terminate with the semicolon. Now which is the lowest age? This is the lowest age. So by the program to find the least age of array of ages. This is array of ages. Variable name is equal to array name age. So within this we need to find out which is the lowest age. So for this array created, then we need to do like what? Create a variable that is also integer, lowest age. Okay, otherwise lowest underscore age, lowest underscore age is equal to, now this variable it is to be assigned to lowest, the first value. This is placed at index 0 position. So age 0. Okay, now what do you mean of this? Try to understand. One variable I have created, variable name. Okay, now what we did here, one variable name lowest underscore age is created. This is integer variable, and the first value that is index is 0, it is assigned to this variable. Whatever the value at 0 index position of age array assigned to this variable. Now next we need to get somewhat length of what? Length means, already I told you that how many elements are there here. 5 elements. If more elements are there, 1000 elements, so it is not easy to count them manually, so we will count them through a formula. That is how to find the length of, length means how many elements are there in the array. By that simple I have briefed you. Size of operator we will use here. Size of what? Is, okay, size of is I told you that size of 0, okay. So this is the result we are getting, but this is not the expected result, because 10 is the, okay, 10 is the smallest value, understood that, but we are getting somewhat 10. Why? So we need to write the we need to write, that is what, next line character, where we need to write the next line character here. Okay, here we need to use the next line character, that is what, n. So now let us try to again build and run. So you are getting 10 10 10 5 times. Why 10 10 10 5 times? I want to get only one time, na? Lowest is. Why I am getting this one? So you cut this statement and you keep this statement at here out of your for loop. Okay. Now let us see what will be happen here. You run this code, build and run. So this is the why, because whenever you keep this printf statement, if it is part of your loop, so you will get the output like this. So what I did here, try to understand here. What I did here, our program is write a program in C language to find least value, lowest age of array of ages. This is the array symbol, integer array variable age. This is having 5 elements. This is a single dimension array. Okay, single dimension array. If to find out this least age, I have created a variable lowest age, that is integer type. So I have assigned the first value at 0 index, whatever the value is there of age array, that is 10. Okay, allotted to this lowest age. And I try to find out length. The length means how many elements are there in the array, 5 elements. For this variable created is the integer variable. Size of operator I have used size of age. Size of age, what is the size of age? I told you that suppose 5 elements are there, every integer holds the maximum size of 4 bytes. So 5 elements are there, 5 into 4, 20 bytes. Okay, 20 bytes, that is the total size, memory size. And size of individual single integer. Okay, so maximum 4 bytes. Integer will hold the integer data type will hold minimum 2 bytes, maximum 4 bytes. Here 4. So 20 by 4 means 5 elements are there. Size, to find out the length, what is the size of how many elements are there. This is the syntax I have written. Now for loop I use it here. What is the for loop? Within the for loop, initially I set to variable set to 0. Why? Because initially the I will be taken, the value 10 will be taken and stored in this value. Okay, now condition I have written, how many times loop to be rotated. I value, until the I value less than length, loop will be rotated. If I value not less than length, so it is broken. Incrementation, every time one time I will be incremented. This is the for loop. Within the for loop, if condition I have written here, if lowest is greater than age index. Index means every time loop goes and take one value and store. So lowest age is equal to assign 10 na? So now if 10 is first element 0 means 10 greater than 10. So condition wrong. Lowest 10 greater than 10 at first time. So 10 is stored in this I and loop is at here. So 10 greater than 10. Then lowest age is equal to that value. But it is not satisfied. So loop goes to 58. Okay. And 58 taken. Lowest is 10. 10 greater than 58. So if 10 greater than 58, then lowest is equal to that value. But 10 greater than 58, condition is wrong. So again loop goes to 42. Takes the 42. And lowest value 10 greater than 42. Condition to be checked. So 10 greater than 42, condition not satisfied. So loop goes to again 46.